Hey people, and welcome to a new Minecraft mod video. Today we're going to be looking at a mod for Minecraft 1.3.2 called MINEGICKA, and if it's been released for a future patch I would have updated what it says in the title and description, so there you go. This version is actually quite buggy. Some of the stuff doesn't work or causes crashes, but anyway, we'll get started. It's MINEGICKA in Minecraft, if you didn't know. You see in the bottom right, we've got all our elements, and there's two other elements as well, which is sort of like steam and ice, I believe. Yep, steam and ice. So let's get started. So what happens when you spawn a world? You won't be able to use any of the spells. What you need to find is like these sort of, well, they look like enchanting tables sort of thing, but they're in altars. You find them around the world, and when you find one, you right click, you unlock one spell or a slot or a magic, and once you've unlocked them all, like I have, then you don't need to find them anymore. But that's how you unlock all the stuff, and I've actually found the altars really hard to find, so I haven't got one to show you right here. But I'm sure it could be a bug, I don't know. Anyway, to find a spell, you can't just press the button like that. I'm pressing T, it's not doing anything. You need to have a staff equipped. This is the basic staff, and with this equipped you can now see in the bottom right I've got water in there, and now I can fire it off. And now I've got, like, let's see if I wanted a earth shield like that. Earth shield or fire shield, you know, pretty cool. There's actually different types of spells you can do. So, like fire, for example. Wait a minute. Let's start with lightning then. Lightning, for example, gives you a lightning arc like that. You can't really see that very well. Let's see if we can combine it with something. Let's try the lightning arc. And with fire, no, you can't really see it, but it's an arc. And then you've got the beams, which is the arcane beam and the life beam, and they look like this, just a beam. You've got projectiles, which is ice and rock. Let's try this. If you hold down the right mouse button, it will zoom you out like that, and then it'll fire. You see? It fired something. Then you've got shields, mines, walls, and storms. And that's created with the shield, of course. We've got the shield and then another element. So, for example, fire, as I showed you before, creates a fire shield. You got, let's try it with this, ice shield, you know, kind of cool. And of course the sprays, which is just like fire itself, sprays it. Water does the same. Okay, see? Water. So that's all that stuff. You also got area of effect stuff, which doesn't seem to work for me in this at the moment, but they do what you would think, AoE, and that's how you create mines and stuff as well. So of course there's also magics. I've got this book that shows you all the magics, different random spells. For example, we could make it rain if we did water and steam. So let's try water, wait a minute, water and, no, it needs to be the other way around, water, steam. Oh wait a minute, sorry, I'm doing it wrong. Right, water, and then we've got steam, and then you have to press a special button to use magics, which is R. We just used R, and now it's raining. Let's toggle the downfall off. So you can make it rain. What else we got in there? We got haste, we got thunderbolt, teleport. Some of these are really don't work too well. Vortex crashed my game. It's kind of crazy. Got crash to desktop. We got all random stuff in there. Random transform, shoot, de-leaf, all kinds of crazy stuff. And you can actually configure the buttons from here as well. So R is actually use of magic. We've got X and Z changes the magic on your UI. You can toggle what button you want for each element here, and the UI position. So you've got quite a lot of options there. I wish this would stop raining. Yep, come on, there we go. So you probably want to know how to make some of this stuff. Let's open up the crafting thing. So we've got the basic staff, which is a diamond, round sticks, and the book is a diamond, a redstone, a gold ingot, and a book. And that's shapeless, by the way. And you may notice we've got some other staffs, like the water staff. We've got, well, each element has its own staff. For example here, I've got the fire staff, and if I middle mouse button, it does fire everywhere. Look at that. And if I do that, it does, wow, middle mouse button for too long and you get fire everywhere. But I'm not going to show you all the staffs. You can try it out for yourself if you want to. You can kind of guess what they would all do, similar stuff, but with the correct elements. So I've been through the magics, I've been through the spells, and I've showed you the altars. That is pretty much most of the mod. I mean, you can, if you play Magicka, you know what the spell combinations to do. Like if I did T, which is water and beams, you get a beam of water like this, you know. So if we did G with lots of Ks, we get lightning, fire stuff. Whoa! Look at that. Is he going to kill that sheep or not? Yeah, it is. See? And you can even combine it with, like, life. Oh yeah, this is what happened when I did the Raise Dead spell. It made loads of skeleton spiders that are not actually there. So that's kind of random. So the last thing to show you in this mod is the new dimension, which is made... Well, you get there by using this random item here, which doesn't actually have a crafting recipe yet, it seems. So let's just see the new dimension. So you spawn in this. Okay. Wow. Some kind of random crazy forest. So yeah, this is the new dimension. It's a work in progress, I would say. There's not really much here. It's made from this crazy dirt stuff and rock, pretty much. And there isn't really much to it. There's not really any point of coming there. It's work in progress, as I said, and it's got these crazy formations in the sky. But if you're watching this in a future update, you may notice that this world may have changed because it's being updated all the time, pretty much. But anyway, this is a new dimension, and you could just come here and muck about if you wanted. If you wanted a change of scenery, I guess. You basically use this again to go back to the normal world. So yeah, that's it. MINEGICKA. It's Magicka in Minecraft. It's a bit buggy, but that's because of 1.3, I believe. It's changed a lot of code. But anyway, give this mod a shot. It's pretty nice. Links in the description to the mod. And what more can I say? It's awesome. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Facebook. And I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.